dear student, today we will do the chapter nouns. But before starting the chapter, I am telling some information. You must write down definition and examples in your notebook. I will tick mark in the book what are the things you have to note it down in your notebook. So let's start the chapter. A noun. A noun is a naming word that is used to name living beings, places, things, ideas, or feelings. Like whenever we are giving any name to any human being or animal or any place, any object, even feelings, we can call them nouns. Any naming words are called nouns. So you must write down first of all the heading like noun, then the definition, then with one example you have to finish it. After completing the definition, you must in next line you have to write down the example. Then leave one line blank. After that you must write down kinds of noun. There are 5 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. We will do all the noun types one by one. First is common nouns. Noun that name person, places, or object of the same kind are common nouns. So whenever we are referring the things or person or object of same kind, we are not talking about particularly person or place. When we are using or indicating the things of the same kind or person of the same kind, that is called common noun. Like girl or girl, boys. And it we are just indicating not a particular girl name we are telling. We are not telling one by one boy. Girl. In that girl, any of the girls can be there. Clear? So you must write down the definition. First of all, heading common noun, then definition in next line. Then in next line you must write down example. Any 3-4 examples you write down in common noun. Proper nouns. Nouns that name particular places, persons, or objects are called proper noun. Whenever we are indicating the things commonly, that is common noun. But whenever we are just name the particular places, not commonly, but we are indicating particularly any place name, person name, or object, that is called proper noun. Like if I am telling girl, that is common noun. But in girl, if I am telling Simran, that is proper noun. Cities common noun. But cities, if I am telling Delhi, that is proper noun. School, common noun. But in school, I am telling Sesomu school, that is proper noun. So there are 2 things in proper noun. First of all, there must be any particular person, place, or thing. Second thing, proper noun should be written in capital letters. Like month. Month is a common noun. But in month, if I am telling December, that is proper. Day, common. In day, but if I am telling Monday, that is proper noun. Let's do the next topic. Collective noun. So you must write down in proper noun also definition, proper noun, heading, then proper noun definition, and 2-3 example. Okay. Noun that name a group or class or similar things or persons taken together or spoken of as one whole are called collective noun. Whenever we are giving any name to a group of person or things and that group indicating one whole, that is called collective noun. For example, army. In army there can be group of soldiers. So, but if I am taking army, it is clearly indicating there be a group of soldier. Herd means group of cows. Same like fleet, bunch, pack. These are example of collective noun. I hope so you understand. You must write down the definition with example in your notebook. Thank you.